how to make some double chocolate chip cookies. And since Mother's Day is on the 10th and today is the 6th, we might as well make some for her and surprise her with some of this deliciousness. Let's get into it! Make sure to check out the ingredient list and the procedures in the descriptions below. I hope you'll have lots of fun mixing, pouring, and chopping up some sweet chocolates. Whatever you end up with, trust me, your house will smell like heaven at 10 minutes in, and your cookies will have their own very unique and sophisticated taste. For this recipe, you will be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon and a half of baking powder, a cup of brown sugar, some chocolates of your choice, 2 eggs, some vanilla extract, some cocoa powder, 3 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, and some salt. First, chop up the chocolates into smaller pieces. Into a big bowl, you want to pour in 3 cups of flour. Then add some baking soda, some baking powder, some salt, and some cocoa powder. Mix them together. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, drizzle in some vanilla extract, then whisk them together. Pour the eggs into the big bowl of flour. Mix it in a bit, but we're still missing the liquidy, buttery, and sugary part. In a heat-resistant bowl, peel open 2 sticks of butter, microwave them for around a minute. If they're still too chunky, after that you could do a few seconds more. Now you will pour the pre-measured brown sugar, white sugar, and whisk this wonderful goodness until it's turning caramel colored. Let the butter cool down before pouring into the flour because we do not want to cook the eggs. Trust me, I've made this mistake before. Now you just mix everything into a dough. After that, we can pour in the chocolates into parts and fold them into the dough. We can already preheat the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Get 2 baking pans and some baking sheets to place on top. If you have an ice cream scoop, awesome! If not, that's okay. You may use a regular spoon to shape them into bows or make some crazy shapes of your design. When you're placing the trays into the oven, be sure to wear some oven mitts or use a cloth to grab the pan. Please don't burn yourself. Bake for 19 minutes. Ta-da! Some delicious chocolate chip cookies.